Hello guys, welcome to the top 15 aptitude questions which I have picked by myself from various examinations like GATE, MAT, TANCET, placement, railways, SSC and etc. So I have given you each and every type of questions which I can cover within this 15 if you want more such models. So this 15 will take at least part 1, part 2, part 3. So watch it fully to understand. After this, just comment below what kind of video do you want regarding for preparing for your examination, whether it is logical reasoning or data interpretation. So we haven't put data interpretation. So in future, after this series ends, you will definitely see regarding data interpretation. So now let's quickly get into the video. In an examination, what are they saying? 54% of the candidates passed in science. So pass science. So what is pass percentage of science? It is 54%, right? Now then fail will be fail science will be 100 minus 54, which you'll get as 46%. I hope you understood. Okay, if pass is that means, then if you minus 100 from the percentage, you will be getting the fail percentage. Now 42% failed in mathematics. So now let's write fail in mathematics is nothing but 42% fail in maths. Then both fail. Let me write here both fail. Both fail means both subject fail is 32%. So let me draw a Venn diagram. So this represents the fail percentage. This is maths, this is science. So together both, intersection which we are having 32. So 32% failed in both. So remaining how much? If you subtract the common thing, you'll be having 10. So minus 32, I'll be getting 10. So only max failed is 10. Likewise, when I subtract from this 32, I'll be having 14. So only science fail is 14. So total fail is nothing but 10 plus 32 plus 14. So which you'll be having as 56. Now in question, what did they ask? In question they asked what is the percentage in what is the percentage of pass in both the things. So total fail I found, total pass will be, so total pass is nothing but 100 minus 56. So I'll be having 44% as my answer. So my answer for this question is 44%. Okay, so 44% is my answer. I hope you understood this question. Now let's go to the next question. So the number 475 is divisible by a which of the single digit? Okay, so let us check. In order to check for 3 and 9, you have to add and see, right? 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So what is it? 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, 18 plus what is this? This is 15. 18 plus 15, I'll be getting 23, right? So 23, which, let me add it again. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, which is 16. 16 plus 8, which is 24. Sorry, this is 33. Yeah, right, 33. So your answer here is 33. Okay. If you see the sum 33, definitely it is not divisible by 9, and definitely it is not divisible by it is divisible by 7. It is not divisible by 9. And so option A and B is not right. So let us see, option C is only the right answer. Check for 7 and let me know, because I've already found it. And I've also told you how to find divisibility of 7. You can go watch my number system video. In that I have explained clearly. Now let's go to the next question. So next question is, so the next question here, the two numbers are in ratio 4:5 if their HCF is 16. So let us represent number 1 as 4k, number 2 as 5k. Now HCF of number 1 and number 2. How? So basically this will be HCF of 4k comma 5k. So when you think about 4k comma 5k, so basically your HCF will be k only, right? Now 4 into 5, 5 into 5. The HCF will be highest common factor. The common factor, let us assume the common factor as k. Then only we are writing like number 1 as 4 into that common factor, because the ratio is 4k. 5 into the common factor. So the common factor only will be our HCF. So 4k HCF. So HCF of two numbers, they already gave it as 16. Right. So your K, what is your K? Your K is nothing but 16, because I told you the common factor is K. So the number 1 will be 4 into 16, which is 64. Number 2 will be 5 into 16, which will be 80. So sum of the numbers, number 1 plus number 2, I will get it as 144. When I add 64 plus 64 plus 80, I'll be getting the answer as 144. So I hope you understood this sum. Okay, now let's go to the next sum. Next sum, at present, Ranveer is 15 years older than Deepika. Okay, and 5 years later, Deepika is 10 years. Deepika will be 10 years old. Okay. So, what is the present age of Ranveer? Okay, let us see. Ranveer, at present, Ranveer is 15 years older than Deepika. Ranveer is 15 years older means he is elder than Deepika. Okay. Now, 5 years later, 5 years ago, Deepika will be 10 years. 5 years ago, what is Deepika's age? Deepika's age is 10 years. Then at present, what is Deepika's age? At present, Deepika's age will be, D will be 10 plus 5. But this 5 years ago, Deepika is 10 years old. At present, Deepika's age will be 15 years. I hope you get it. Now, Ranveer's present age. This is present age, right? Present age. So, Ranveer's present age will be 15 plus Deepika's age, which is 15. So, your answer for Ranveer's present age is 30. Okay. So, understand it clearly. 5 years ago, Deepika's age is 10. Now, her age. 5 years ago, it is before 5 years. Now, her age is plus 5 only. This age plus 5. Present age is, yeah. Now, Deepika's present age is 15. So, from that you can find Ranveer's age. Okay. Now, let us go for another one, where this is a mixture thing. In what ratio should the coffee costing rupees 2800 per kg be mixed with a coffee costing, what is it? Coffee costing 1500. Okay. So that the mixture is rupees 2500. So I'm having coffee costing 2800 and I'm having coffee costing 150. Now what am I supposed to do it? I have to mix it in such a way that it will be costing rupees 1000, rupees 2000. What is it? Rupees 2150. Now, what I'm supposed to do? This is the answer. Like I have to find the ratio of mixing. So, when I'm having, so first thing I have written it here. Second, I have written here. Now, what am I supposed to do? And the mixture I have got it here. So, just subtract these two things. So, when I subtract, this is the formula. When I come to the mixtures and allegations, I'll be teaching after that. So, when I subtract it, what I'll be having? I'll be having it as 650, right? 2800 minus 150, I'll be getting 650. So, 2150 minus 750, 0. So, here I'll be getting 400. So, 400. Now, you just find the ratio of these two. you will be getting the answer. When I get the ratio of this I'm having 8, pi table I'm having 8 is to 13. So that this will be the ratio. 8 is to 13 will be the ratio. Don't get confused between 13 is to 8, because first they are mixing this, then they are going with this. So you have to write the ratio as 8 is to 13. So I hope you understood this video, and if you find it more interesting, comment below part 2 video. We have just completed 5 sums of this. So remaining 10 sums are there. So kindly wait for part 1, part 2 and part 3 and complete the whole series, and let's next go to the data interpretation sums. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye.